the drum. I apologize to Vibes Cartel for what? Wait them. Where you just some? I apologize to Vibes. Yeah, hey, no, make a root or blood.
Yeah, man, feel like Vybz Cartel, I go hear them, but him now go see them. You see it for you don't know Vybz Cartel girl name, see them, walk on one dep and welcome forward to the TV. And Jano Star. Queenie, I say your Vybz Cartel for acknowledge her and thing. You see me, I don't know what go down why Queenie I say them thing you still know, but from Vybz Cartel forward, I rather be people attack kind of things are big woman or big old woman all them something. You see it, so from say I'm already them attack up some whole of things, you see it, and I go like them like half a DJ and thing, but me don't know what go on with them people I still put. Only thing me can say, you can see that say yo, Dewey and Queenie might be in 100 right now, you see it. But I don't know if I see Queenie come out and a vent and a go on, you see it. Something there behind this. That's why you hear mama all say you always tumble down pan her and them look something there. You see it. I don't feel say I just see she want cartel, see her and thing. I don't feel like that why Queenie do this. You see it. She just come out and I ask her if you can maybe get back to her husband or what. I don't know what go on still, but I don't know if a new around here remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. For future upload, get it right as you forward out. You also can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Sandy and Bones TV. But John no Star Queen, I don't know what go down still no, but just drop on a comment and just tell me what you think about where Queenie are going. You don't know Queenie keep up her. Oh, I just Queenie that still, you see it, and you don't know say Queenie not change her style for so we know Queenie and that's so Queenie make her money.
I've apologized to Vibes Cartel for what? You turn me on a different. Who just said that? Me not owe Vibes Cartel owe me one blood apology. I want to think that nobody no more than the whole we have life. Let me tell you the blood Vibes Cartel might have more acknowledgement. But the whole we are cut, we apologize to Vibes Cartel for what? Vibes Cartel owe me apologize to make me up on the internet and bottom and him not pay me no mind. And that's enough for out. I wonder what I feel like. Apologize. Queenie, calm down and make nobody dry out power next level. Shut up, Queenie. Yes. Back to God, please help Queenie. It's truth. Dear man, send a prayer for me, man. I need it. A whole heap of going in my life and I crazies. And I can't blame nobody for my life. I have to get on with it. And by the day come our next problem, which a lot of people can relate to that. Come with the fame. So if you know that the blood fullness come with the fame, because of the awful blood kill me, the dirty blood woman. No, pay me. I want to pray for me. I want to pray for bad. I wish my bad. And the more I wish my blood in the rain. I don't lie. Apologize to Vybz Cartel too for what? My bad girl, listen to the song of Vybz Cartel say him make double stand and stop. I him draw dirty blood. Reason. Me now look suck off a cartel. All I want is one song. One song of acknowledgement. And I think I deserve it because me not just artist, you know. Remember Anna, when I come talk about sick stomach, I want build me. And me stand proud behind my pussy. And I get a song out of it. Some my pussy clean, some my pussy fat. No. That is from 2024. When I went to Jamaica 2020. When I went to Jamaica, down in the 2021, me and my husband there studio, and it was Vybz Cartel birthday. No fun I come talk about Gaza. No fun I don't even remember until him come out to the ground. And I say, I'm going to do a song for Vybz Cartel because him do so much song and this youth so great and him in a captivity. Me spend my money at studio. And me spend my YouTube. Things done nice like one time. Some of the cartel are weird. I got damn song up. I don't remember the song now. What song? Things done nice like one time. Some of them fake and bad mind. Cartel a wait for the sunshine. Oh Lord, him a wait. Yes, oh Lord. You know the man glad for the little sunshine. The whole I tell the man what to do. And when I do from when I'm at whatever. Okay. And me say, me do the song. I said, me meet me Sikaram. Me play the song, they mock me about the song. And me I said, John Noah, every blood gonna come soon. It's truth. I can't tell don't pay me no mind with the song. Me come out and me play. Now pay me no mind with the song. So me start lick out the bottom for the blood clot acknowledge me. Or to come suck me. What am I for do? Me ask you though. Or to tell me what me how that reason though. Me do my song them. And I say them not good. Me determined. Because I now give up because I go for my Grammy. So, Cartel are the great, you know, in the Jamaica industry, in the world, no other artist. And him not pay me no mind. So I not forgot being battery washer. When you're there at Jamaica, you say you beg somebody something and you lick them out. I forgot kiss him ass to do it now. Hello? No. Me's a boss. Me's a leader. Me's a mother. Me's a wife. Me's a businesswoman. Me's a artist. And it goes on and on. You don't know how much something that one woman I do at their time? Just the brains to work, for focus, for concentrate. Even just to have... I'm sit down on a stool, me, you know, like you know, that time upon a cross, and just a stone me every week, every month, every day, you know. I'm not give up, you know. But no matter how them lick me with the stone, me, I say, God, you saw them lick me, I'm never lick them. I'm going to come back again. And when me look at one different something again, and you know, I just so love Queen and I give up, you know, no matter what, but good God, man. You see, me never have the spirit of me have mother in a madhouse. And then I lie. Wanna mark me to the last. Wanna scan me. Wanna condemn me. I'm so love Queenie. I say Queenie you're nice. Queenie no matter who no love you. No matter who no care about you. Me have to share me to man. I don't do my bad. Bad. Close ones. If me for talk something, some people condemn me in a high crazies. See if I forget up and talk something. Look for me. You see if I forget up and talk some things right crazy. Oh no, that's shock. Even if I telling you some things that people do me. When I talk about Dewey, you think I Dewey at the own. God hurt with the things to me. I've learned my lesson in so many ways. You see when God make them cut up. Big up public hospital every time. Jubilee public. When God met me in a March, I'm lie down on my back, in pain, scared. And one thing pulled me through this, faith. Because I know there's a God. No matter when nobody did a right say. It was the faith is a God. Only if the day I go come when me I get back normal. God I want him to me. And you know the beauty of my sickness. I was so sick. Just an inch to death. And I still never say I saw some sick until I come out of the hospital. God block me. The way God knows I'm ever happy-go-lucky spirit. God make me say, I guess me having a right crazy. Me genuinely lay down for 3 days. The way how? Come and saw you to people for triple blood. I don't lie. I treat myself nice. I'm a care myself. I'm a love myself. I said love when I love myself. It might be strong. But you see within me, that hurt and that sore within my, no one will never see that. I'm a day in my inside sore, you know. I'm going to take time to heal. And every minute to not come. And I hurt up my cut. Words are so powerful. Me there in here lie down in my own element, and when me look, it's a page come up. And me them are done. And I say, blood.